The hobbyist vlogs here. So, I have a content before na sinasabi ko na yung refinement ng Chinese cars like Geely is hindi pa naaabot nila yung refinement ng Japanese cars. So, gaya ng sabi ko before, I own both yung nasa labas, yung sa Navara, which is a Japanese car, and this Geely M Grand that I bought 2022. Ito, 2024. But both of their mileage are in 50,000 kilometers. So, ito yung una kong napansin. So, 2 years pa lang, habang nananakbo ko ng mga, if I'm driving and cruising 100 kilometers per hour, and I do sudden brakes or braking, nanginginig or the steering wheel is vibrating. No? So, this is the primary cause of that, uneven wear. And the potential cause of this is yung brake pads. Either yung brake pads niya is sobrang tigas, and then, or yung brake disc niya is malambot. So, those little things, yung refinement na yon, hindi pa nila talagang nakukuha or nape-perfect. So, I also noticed yung aircon nito is, although hindi siya variable, when I say variable, hindi na siya clutch type, yung pinaka yung pinaka-clutch niya, variable timing na parang sa mga Hyundai Accent. So, you expect na it will turn on and off pag na-reach niya na yung temperature, no? So, I'm diagnosing right now yung parang may knocking akong naririnig pagka naka-stationary tas nililiko ko siya. So, kaya baklas parehas ng gulong niya. And let me show you another issue of Geely. I know some of you already know the issue. So, try natin. Okay. Lipat ko yung mic sa may aircon. Okay. Buksan ko yung AC. So, it has something to do with the actuator. Yung nagko-control ng aircon niya. So, this usually happens on high settings. Okay. So, let's wait for the screen to boot. Alright. So, I'll let you hear this one. I-rev up ko ha. And you will notice the actuator here will, fluctuate. Mag-on and off siya. So, mawawala at magkakaroon siya ng hangin. So, let me rev it up for you. And, lalagay ko yung mic dito mismo sa vent para marinig ninyo. Ayan o. Humina siya. Humina siya, no? Ayan. Tapos, lalakas ulit siya. So, may problema yan sa actuator niya. Dalawa actuator niyan dito at saka dito. Yung actuator na sinasabi ko is yung nagko-control ng vent niya. Ayun na. Narinig nyo? Ayan. So, naglolo ko na yon. Yung actuator niya maingay na. That's one of the signs. And usually, rev up ko ulit. Up to, let's say, 3,000. Bitawan ko. Usually, pagka nag-iiba yung RPM, ayan, doon siya nagloloko. Lalo na pag nananakbo ka. So, yun yung mga refinement and also dito sa steering wheel. Nagkaroon kami ng lagutok. Again, napansin namin lahat ng isyong yan when this car is like around 30,000 kilometers pa lang. So, sobrang bata pa lang. No, na typically hindi mo dapat mararanasan yung ganong issues sa ganun kabatang Japanese car. So, it is what my experience on this Geely M Grad on its 4th year, 2 to 4th year, no? So, may mga issues na 2 years pa lang. So, hindi ko sinasabing pangit yung unit or pangit talaga yung Geely as a brand or any other Chinese cars. But I'm letting you know to expect yung mga ganong issues na lalabas. So, hindi ko sinasabing walang issues yung mga Japanese cars. Pero usually, according to my experience on Vios, Avanza, so on my previous cars and my current Navara, my previous Navara as well. So, yeah, let me show you how it looks sa Navara ko. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo yung yung pinaka brake niya. No. So, Pakita ko naman sa inyo next yung sa Navara ko, which is nasa labas. Okay. So, despite of this having this same mileage, tignan nyo, nilapit ko na lang yung cam. Ayan. So, meron siyang guhit. Pero hindi siya lubog-lubog. Flat siya. Ayan, di ba? Talagang flat na flat siya. So, makinis yung kain niya. Even yung wear nung brake disc niya. So, yun yung pansin ko dun. So, yun. So far, that's the only issue na na-experience natin. Disappointed, yes, sa Geely. Pero wala na, nandyan eh. Nabili ko na eh. Pero almost tapos naman na yan. Nitong Navara kasi, this is my second Navara. Alam ko na yung mga nagiging issue ng Navara. Kabisado ko na yung Japanese car. So yun, the purpose of this vlog is for you to set your own expectation if you decided to buy Chinese car or brand cars like Geely M Grand. So, yun, sana nakatulong. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.